Welcome back to the best 10 ever, where we give you the best 10 minutes you ever spent. Hey guys! So today I wanted to show you guys how I make my aloe vera gel to retwist my locks, because my hair is freaking filthy right now. Ooh, it's so embarrassing. I don't want y'all to see it, but yeah, it's filthy. And so today I'm going to shampoo. I'm going to sea moss condition / rinse with my sea moss gel that I make. And then I'm also going to use my aloe vera gel to do my retwist. So I wanted to show you guys how I make my aloe vera gel. So I hope you enjoy. I use an aloe vera plant. I got this one at Harris Teeter. You can get it at the best price at your local international market. Usually they're only $1. At Harris Teeter, they're like $3. My plant's a little old because I've had it for like a month. I've been supposed to wash my hair. I use a knife to cut it open. The glass jar that I'm gonna put the gel in once it's ready. The pieces to my blender. I use a Ninja. And my spring water. So let's get it started. So I'm not going to use this whole plant. So I like to cut my plant into pieces, and then I just save the other pieces in the freezer. So the easiest way to do this is to cut your plant into sections. Oh, can't forget, cut off the end. Jelly. So I cut mine into like quarter sections. The ends are prickly, so some people like to cut those off first. Because I'm not going to use my whole plant, I'm not even cutting those off, because the ones I'm not using, I'm going to put into a bag. And I'm going to put these in my freezer and save them for later. And I'll just take them out piece by piece as I need them to do my hair or skin routines later. But these bad boys, look at that jelly. Look at that jelly. These bad boys I'm cutting. So you cut off the ends. I really don't like the way that aloe smells, by the way. Some people won't tell you the truth about natural products. They don't smell all that great. And then you can see all corners. From there, I cut off my top layer. You want to try to get underneath the skin, but not so far under it that you take the gel with you. Voila. So this part is what I'm actually going to put into the blender. Again, I'm just using this as a gel to do my retwist. So I don't need like a whole lot. Again, this plant wasn't free, so I tried to get all of that. And then I'm gonna do that with this piece as well. Voila! Now I'm gonna take my spring water and I'm gonna pour about a fourth of the amount of spring water to aloe vera gel. All right, that's good. My hands are super sticky, by the way. Take my NutriBullet. And pulse. Let's check it out. So I'm gonna let that settle. But as you can see, it's like a little gel. Not too thick. Oh, there's still some little chunks in the bottom. Make sure there's no chunks in the bottom. But just enough to make a great aloe vera gel for my beautiful locks. All right, I'll be back to show y'all the results after my locks are done. After you finish making the gel, don't forget to pour it into your jar. Oops, I need a bigger jar. Be right back. I decided to keep this one because it's easy to stick my fingers in. Oh, almost perfect. Once the gel settles a little bit, it'll be perfect. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications. You can follow us on Facebook and Instagram at The Best 10 Ever.